Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a TXT DNS record in Cloudflare. First, go ahead and log into your Cloudflare account. Then in here, you will see your connected domain. So on the one where you want to add a TXT DNS, go ahead and click on these three dots beside it. After that, go and configure your DNS. Now in here, you'll be able to add in a new record. So go ahead and click on this add button. Then for the type, click on the drop down. Then select on TXT. Now for the root, use @ Then for the content, go ahead and add in the content of your TXT record. This will enhance your domain security, email deliverability, and also verify your domain ownership. Once everything is done, you can now go ahead and click on this Save button at the bottom. And there you have it. Your TXT DNS record is now added. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.